Good morning, YouTube. This is Branchville Park. Look at that fog, that morning fog that lingers on top of the grass. Crazy, right? Very sunny out today. Zoom out in the field. Look at that fog. This weather is crazy too. It's supposed to be cold. And I literally see people out here with shirts on. T-shirts, that is. Take you to a walk. It's always good to get out, you know, get the juices flowing, get that heart pumping. Sometimes, you know, it's good to come out around 6 a.m., get that fresh walk in, that run in, whatever you prefer. You know, since the time has changed, you know, come out a little late. I remember one time I came in here, it was like 5:30 in the morning, and it was pitch dark. And I was like, what the hell am I doing here? I just couldn't sleep, and I wanted to get that long walk in so I can get tired. So now, this is what I do every day. Try to get the heart pumping, you know, lose some weight. But yeah, everybody's occupied with what's going on in the world with COVID resurfacing, and you know, the election. And I try not to get involved in all that politics stuff, you know, because, you know, as long as you're for the people and you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, you know, hey, the more the merrier. But you know, I voted, and I hope a lot of you voted as well. You know, like I said, I'm not gonna sit here and take sides. I'm not by far any political genius or anything like that. All I want is change for the Democratic Party. And some might beg to differ, but that's where I stand. And, you know, I welcome anybody else's opinion on that. But besides that, look at the beauty all around us. Look at this. A lot of people don't take advantage of their local parks. You know, it don't cost nothing to come out and get some of this fresh air or get your walk on. You know, some people, they come to the park to work out, you know, but a lot has changed since the early 90s, late 90s. You used to see a lot of more families out here in the park, you know, spending time with each other, doing family things. You don't see that no more. So, you know, it'd be nice to see some things come back. You know, a lot of people say, oh, you're stuck in the 90s. If you do something that reminds you of the 90s, or you like to wear a certain clothes style, you know, oh, you're stuck in the 90s. It's not about being stuck. It's about, you know, remembering a better time. If that was a good time for you, some people like to remember that, you know. Some people like to live that over again. So I don't judge nobody. Yeah, the 90s for me, they were okay. But then again, I have a lot of bad memories of the 90s as well. But I try not to dwell on the past. You know? It's got a heavy smell of manure in the park right now. So that tells me there's a lot of deers coming through here. And other animals. I've seen red foxes in here. A lot of geese, goose, whatever you want to call them. I seen a ton of those. But yeah, I think Branch Brook and Weekway Park are one of the most heavy. Oh no, I'll take that back. Branch Brook, you have Eagle Rock. You have it's the other park, Upper Montclair. Yeah, those have a heavy high dense of animals running around. Thank God I haven't seen no bears. Good shit, who wants to come in contact with a bear, right? Usually you want to keep your heart rate up to like 118, 115. That's what I'm doing. I try not to shoot people. I give them their privacy. But yeah, so like if you guys live close by Branch Brook Park, come out, man. Come out, take advantage of this fresh air, this crisp air, and these, these sightings. You won't regret it. All right. Check you guys out. This is X in the Streets. I'm bringing you another park adventure. Peace out.